sa ano ang competition is 26 na po.
June 26 Friday.
Sa Met.
Oh, yes po. Tapos ngayon pupunta po sila after they're gonna go straight to Boy Scout.
We gave it a 20.
Pinassist ko sila. I-talk Agnes Day.
Usap pa din ni ESC. Makatulungan nila kami i-fix yung baseball field, swimming pool, track and field. Saka yung Olympic pool and train our kids there. But for now, they are being trained to TESDA sa initiative ng city government. Soon, we might enter into agreement build urban farming, food security in highly urbanized setting. Because Manila is also a city. Meron pa tayo baka someday urban ka. Very good luck sa inyo.
And representative of Miss Manila sa Miss University.
Jay, lalakad kayo. Punta raw kayo sa Boys Town. Yes, sir. Okay, papaloko kayo Jay, ha? May kinukwento ko ako. Nag-usap kami ni Pato. Gustong ayusin ni Pato yung ano natin, track and field doon. At saka yung Olympic size pool. Tapos mag-training. Pag nagpunta kayo, say hello to my lolo at lola. Malaga-malaga ako yung mga... Any senior is point sa Manila. Kahit nasa Marikina sila. Pinag-aalala ko yung mahal yun. So, good luck sa inyo. Enjoy your day with our constituents. It's getting better now through the leadership of J.D. Lahat mo kayo, taga Maynila. Sige. Galingan ninyo. Thank you and good luck. I will see you on the 26th. No? I'll see you on the 26th.
Yes.
Let them join also the State of the City.
Yes, they will join on our June events.
Para magka-idea sila of the status of the cities. Because it's an obligation to the people to report yearly what you call the state of the city address. It's like SONA, but in a smaller scale, like an LGU, the report of the state of Manila. One year na. So, invite natin sila.
Pati sa Gawad Manila. Para din.
Baka pala kayong kagulan. Okay. Sige, ingat kayo. Ha? Stay safe and healthy. See you. Okay? Siguro, gusto mo kang picture of colleagues? Halika. Sabi mo nga ito, no?
Sa mga batch by batch.
Siguro 2 batches.
10, 10.
10, 11.
10, 11 batch.